morning, everyone. Today is 27th of September 2023. We are here at Umuahia to come and do the final stage of our project, which is solar installation. As you can see, this is 8 a.m. We are just arriving in Umuahia this morning. So we left here Lagos yesterday, which is 26th of September. So we'll get to Imo State because of bad road at Benin City. So we get to Imo State around 10 p.m. So we have to lodge in a hotel and continue our journey this morning. So as you can see, we are just arriving. So I want to do inspection of the things that we brought from Lagos. We want to do inspection of the things we brought from Lagos. Open the boots. Let's see what is inside. Wow, this motor is fully overloaded. As you can see, this is 16 solar panel. These are the rack for the solar panel, and these are batteries for the solar panel. So going to this place, you can see these are part of the batteries, and these are part of the charger controller. Yeah, and this is the inverter. This is 10 kVA. So as you're uploading the items, we keep you posted and updated. Thank you for watching once again. This is Sixtus Engineering Services. Doing what we know how to do best. We start this project from beginning to the ending where it is now, from the wiring stage of it. So the things we did in this project consist of CCTV installation, DSTV installation, intercom installation, speaker installation, internet connection, inverter and solar panel, and some other things as well. So we go inside and take note to some of the things. We're inside now, so we're about to start offloading. We have just entered inside the compound, so about start offloading the things that comes with it. Okay, this is after offloading. You can see the item. This is 7.5 kVA 48 volts Felicity inverter. This is 48 volts 80 amp charger controller. As you can see, this is 16 solar panel, 300 watts mono, and this is tubular battery, Star Plus, 220 amps each, 8 pieces, and this is a solar panel cable, 25 mm, and this is a 2 battery rack. You can see this is a 10 mm cable for supply to the inverter and the output of the inverter. This is a solar panel rack. There's 20 pieces, and in here is breaker box and the other bolt and nut for installation. Is a bolt and nut for the installation. So as you can see, after the offloading, the motor has gone up, showing that the motor really carry a very heavy load. Over here is the rope to drag the solar panel up. So here is some of our tools bag. So while you put it here, we can from here send it up. When we go up, so it's easier to go up, while the inverter and the batteries will go inside for installation. Installation commence soon. The panel is going up. men at work. So some of the panel has gone up, so some are still remaining. So we are neat sending the panel up now. So it will continue in a short while. Okay, we just concluded the fixing of the rain now. So we are about to start dropping of the solar panel now. So we are done fixing of the rain. These are solar panels 16 in number. So we are about to commencement of the fixing of the solar panel. As you can see, the rest are completed. So now we're about to commence the fixing of panel. Thank you for watching. We'll keep you posted as we progress. This is a panel on this side. You can see very well from this angle as well. The coupling is ongoing. How neat it is. Very well aligned and placed very well. Connection is still ongoing as well. This is how it is. We are done with the installation of the 5 kVA 48 volts Felicity inverter installation. So what we did here, people will be wondering why 48 volts, why 8 batteries. So we did the banking with 16 solar panel. So the installation is completed, and this is the inverter itself working. So the battery is full. This is the solar panel charger controller. See, the battery is also full. So that's why there's no amps in the charging current. These are breakers. One is for solar, one is for battery. The station is a thunder strike, the breaker will go off, so you can on it by yourself instead of damaging the equipment. So let's change over. Down is inverter, up is NEPA or generator, as the case may be. So the battery levels are okay, good to go. So we are done with this.
Can you correct how many now?
No, because the battery is full, so
okay, it's full. So far so good. It has been a tremendous success. We're here about 4 days ago. We assembled the batteries, installed the inverter, the charge controller, and then the panel. So it has been a wonderful job. You can see the job is neatly done. You can't get this anywhere except Sixtus Engineering Services. So this is the work of Sixtus Engineering Services at Umuahia in Abia State. Thank you.
okay, thank you, Engineer Dan, for all efforts you put in place for us to achieve a great success in this project. We all assistants in engineering services appreciate your service and time as well. So as you can see, the work is done. So we're about to leave. So the job will be handed over to the engineer, which is Engineer Victor, for him to hand over to the owner, as the case may be. As you can see, we have finished installation of the panels, 16 panels in number. So we are doing the connection now for the 16 panels, which is coming down. So This space that you are seeing on the other side, we are leaving it because they are suggesting of adding another panel. Instead of cutting the rack out, we leave it. That place can still enter additional about more 4 solar panel if they are doing it. So as you can see, Engineer Dan is coupling it. Engineer Dan, we are greeting you.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you.
Okay, this is how it is now. So this is the environment where we are. This is Abia State. This is Secretariat. Government has Secretariat Abia State. This is how this place is. Thanks for watching.